Yeah, hey there, Paul Wilson here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, in this video, I want to talk about IML for beginners. If you're maybe you've joined IML, you're a beginner in IML, maybe you're looking at joining IML and just wondering what you need to be doing when you come in as a beginner. Now, there's a couple of things that I wanted to go through in this video so that basically you know exactly what you need to do when you come into this business. Now, the first thing that I would do is I would go log into your back office and go through the IML Academy basics. That is going to give you everything that you need to know about the basics of trading, what a pip is, basically from the very, very basics all the way up to sort of give you enough information to know what you're doing so that you can start trading. Now, the strategies that I would use if I was coming in initially are the Swipe Trades app. Now that is a Swipe Trades, it's an app that you can download on your phone. You basically log into it and you get trade ideas sent to your phone from professional traders. Now these trades that you get on your phone gives you all the information that you need, the currency pair, whether it's a buy or a sell, your stop loss, your take profits, everything that you need. So you can either just take it as it is and cut and paste it straight into MetaTrader 4 so that you can trade that trade idea, whatever you want to do, or you can maybe do a little bit more digging, have a look around yourself, maybe you do your own analysis on it, see if it's a trade you definitely want to take. Because I say, these are trade ideas, they come through professional traders, they're not guaranteed to win, so you know, you can do a little bit of your own homework if you want to, or people are just doing the cut and paste method, taking them as they are and having very, very good success with them also. Now, the other thing I would do if you're brand new coming in, I would look at the harmonic scanner. Everybody gets access in IML to the harmonic scanner, and I would use the quick fire strategy on the harmonic scanner because, you know, it's very, very simple. You just got to basically go through a set of 4 or 5 rules. I can't remember what the number is, but you can look at, you get the scan come through. You can look at it. You can see if the rules match up. If they match up, you can take the trade. If they don't, then you don't take the trade. And it's just literally as simple as that. And by doing that with a quick fire strategy, there's an 80-something%, I'm not sure the exact percentage, but there's an 80-something% win rate by using that strategy. So, and it's very, very simple to do. Once you learn it, you can look at a trade and see if it's worth taking within literally a few seconds. And you can either plug yourself in, take that trade, or wait for the next one to come through. So as I say, that's pretty much what I would do. If I was joining IML as a beginner, I would literally do Swipe Trades and the harmonic scanner, the quick fire strategy on the harmonic scanner, because that is where you're going to get the most success, the most leverage to begin with as a beginner, because they're both very, very simple strategies and they both have very, very good success rates. So anyway, that's it for this quick video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you're notified as and when I upload new content, and I look forward to talking with you real soon. Take care.